Hi everybody, it's Janet and welcome to my channel. Today I'm here to do the unboxing of the February 2019 fully loaded kit from Creative Escape Papercrafting. This kit is all about the movies, so let's take a look at what's inside of it. First thing I'll pull out is a full-size Nouveau Jewel Drops, and it is called Limoncello, and it's a very light pale yellow, and it says it dries translucent, so this will be really cool. In the little baggie, this is where we usually find our twines and ribbons and sometimes small embellishments, and that looks like it's the case this time. We have 6 movie-related brads, or movie-themed brads. It looks like we have 3 of these. These are the old-fashioned movie reels. A little bit of film hanging out of it. So cute. So there are 3 of those. And then we've got the old-fashioned movie clapperboard. 3 of those, also very cute. Love that. And you know what I like too is that these are so neutral because they're black and silver. They'll go with any color scheme or anything else that you're going to be creating. So let's put that back in my little baggie so I don't lose any of those. Of course it won't go in for me all of a sudden. There we go. Alright, then let's look at what we've got for ribbons. We've got 1 yard of yellow and white polka dot ribbon. Really cute. And we've got the same ribbon in blue and white polka dot. That's also 1 yard. Then we've got 1 yard of green and white baker's twine. And we have 1 yard of blue and white baker's twine. So plenty of twines and ribbons. I always say this, but this is one of the things I like about Creative Escape's kits, is they're always very generous with twines and ribbons, and those are the extra touches that make your card special. Alright, let's take a look at the stamp set. This is another exclusive stamp set to Creative Escape Papercrafting. This was designed by them and it is adorable. It's called Let's Go to the Movies. You can see that there's like a marquee, and look at all the cute little faces that obviously will go on like the drink cup, the popcorn, the like little candy box, candy bar. It reminds me very much of the old-fashioned little movie cartoons that they would play years ago, like when I was growing up, to convince people to go out and get more snacks, right? Very cute. Even the little sunglasses are adorable, and they're made to fit on any of these things. I think the little touches there are so cute. And then we also have little pieces of candy, a tiny little bow tie, which also would be very cute on any of these concession characters. And then we've got all kinds of fun sentiments. So it says, a star, happy, get well soon, popping by to say, very cute, celebrate the graduate, now showing, is born, you are, sweet, high, exclamation point, birthday, it's a girl, it's a boy. So there's all kinds of occasions this can be used for. So it's birthday, it's get well, it's just a hi, how you doing? You know, when you're using popping by to say. It's also, though, related to having babies. Could be used for a cute little baby shower card or something like that as well. So I think it's fantastic that there's so many options. And I can tell you from last month's stamp set from Creative Escape, these are very good quality and they stamp perfect right off the bat. Very first impression. They're very high quality. Alright, well that's fun. So we've got a few other things here. We have a Cottage Cuts film strip die, and so this is going to cut out a little tiny film strip. See if it's 2.2 inches wide by 0.9 inches high, so just cute enough to be a nice little accent on your card, but not enough to take it over, which I personally appreciate. Then we've got a little frame here. This is a 4x4 frame, And this color and style will vary for sure, that's what we're told, but it is the same size, and it is all by Heidi Swap. So you will get some kind of frame. And this one is very movie-like, right, with that gold and white. Love that. We have a nice card blank here, or a base card. This is a 6x6 white card, and it has an envelope to match with it, so perfect fun there. And we've got some movie tickets. These are just cute little accessories to put on your cards. Looks like we have 5 of those. Now the designer paper pack that we're going to be working with this month, it's called Summer Dots and Stripes, and it's from Echo Park, and it is an 8x8 double-sided, so this is very generous, and there are 12 sheets, so 24 different looks because they're double-sided. There may be some duplicate colors, it looks like, maybe in this pack. Yeah, I've got some light blue and green, so it kind of looks to me like we have 6 that repeat probably. So let's look at those. So here are the polka dots: dark blue, light blue, green, red, orange, and yellow. If we flip that over, we've got stripes in the dark blue, light blue, green, orange, red, orange, and yellow. Lots of options in that, and so 6 of each. This is very interesting. See how shiny that is? This is a black mirror cardstock. It's 8.5 by 5.5. Really fitting for the movie theme, I think. And we got a whole bunch of 8.5 by 11 cardstocks here. This is so generous. Let's spread that out a little bit. First thing we've got is 1 sheet of 8.5 by 11 green canvas texture. I don't know if you can make out the canvas texture, but you can see that in person. It's got a nice texture to it. And we've got a bright pink canvas texture. Very pretty. Then we've got a blue canvas texture, also very pretty and sheery. This is a navy corrugated textured cardstock. Again, not sure you can make that out because the corrugation is not like really deep, but you can see the lines in it, and it just makes it nice and textured. And it's a good weight as well. And then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, looks like 4 sheets of 8.5 by 11 white cardstock. Now this is the heavy 110-pound white that is alcohol ink friendly. So for your markers, this works great. And then last but not least, we have a 8.5 by 11 cut apart sheet. This is for the subscribers, and it is called Let's Go to the Movies. And there's a few different images there. Cute. Alright, that concludes the unboxing of the 2019 February fully loaded kit from Creative Escape Papercrafting. Again, the theme being Let's Go to the Movies. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll be back soon with 10 cards.
Well, once again, thank you for joining me here today. I really appreciate you visiting, and I've put up here the link to subscribe to my channel and also to a couple more videos that I think you might be interested in seeing if you like this one. So I hope to see you back soon, but until then, keep crafting. Bye!